Kids want to get back out on the field with their teammates this fall and play some sports, but parents want to know it is safe before they do that. It is permitted, technically, under Georgia state guidelines, but families are wondering if they should let their kids play. Caitlin Ross digs in with the experts.
Kids can't wait to get back out on the field. It makes them feel normal. But how much of that is safe, and what can parents do to protect their kids? It's something the doctors at Children's Healthcare of Atlanta have been thinking a lot about, and they have some really great advice. Dr. David Marshall is fielding calls from parents daily about how to let young athletes play while staying safe. He says sports are not completely off the table.
So they can still do sport-specific workouts. They just might not be able to be as close with their teammates, with physical contact that their sport requires, at least right off the bat. Let's wait and hopefully things will kind of settle down.
But until then, he says parents and kids need to do everything they can to protect themselves.
So how do I do that? That seems kind of too optimistic, and it's really not. If you adhere really to 4 basic principles.
He says, number 1, stay home if you're sick. Number 2, practice physical social distancing, even on the field. Number 3, wear a mask, including when playing sports. And number 4, practice good hand hygiene every day.
If everybody did this, then I think we would see a rapid decrease in the transmission of COVID.
In Dr. Marshall's opinion, wrestling, football, basketball, and lacrosse are the most dangerous for COVID transmission. Cross country, golf, tennis, and gymnastics are the least dangerous. He also thinks all kids need to see their doctor before getting back out on the field.
In order to make sure that you're ready to go back and play your sport, make sure that you do have a visit with your primary care pediatrician.
He says students shouldn't be sharing equipment at all, meaning anything they bring to play the game needs to be theirs and theirs alone.
Caitlin, such a big part of kids and sports is the interaction. They get to be together, but I imagine that has to change until the COVID-19 numbers go down. What is his recommendation?
Absolutely. He says kids should not be high-fiving or fist-bumping to celebrate. They shouldn't sit on the bench together, and they shouldn't even hang out really after practice is over. So even if you do give your kids the green light to go ahead and play sports, it's going to look a lot different.